On your marks, get set, go! Woo! Oh, hello, this is off to a good start. Whoa, they're big. They look like golden smell of streamers. It's like a golden waterfall. Look, they're going down to the sea. Oh, hello, look, split delays. Look, split delays. Red, green and pink. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, and gold.
Big one, did you see it?
Yeah. I didn't see it. Oh, golden sparkly ones. Oh, they're pretty. I like those. Golden sparkly. Wow. That's so cool. Lovely.
Almost like I've picked right. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Yeah, look.
Oh, wow.
That's cool. Look, you have red in the middle, then it goes blue, then, and that's how it goes blue, then turns into green. Wow. Whoa, see that? Look at that. It's going into like red little wings around it. That's so cool. Oh, look.
Oh, chase
Whistle! No, the
Whistlers.
Whistlers, Ben.
Yeah.
No, still going. Oh, wow, very nice. Wow.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, that one's nice. Wow, look! Some of them are sparkling. Some of them are sparkling. Wow, that's a big one. Whoa.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, good.
Whoa, they're nice.
Yeah, those ones are nice,
Wow.
yeah. Whoa,
Oh, that's a nice one.
That one looked like a
That
bow.
was a different. Looks like it did look like a bow, didn't it?
Yeah, a bow tie. Oh, look at the ones at the bottom, look. Oh, hello, here we go. Wow, here we go. Wow, here we go. There's quite a lot of them now. I think this might be this is the grand finale here. I think this could be the grand finale here. There's quite a lot. Oh, here we go. The ones at the bottom, look. Yeah, I think this is the grand finale right here for the first display. Look at that. Oh, hello. The ones on the top. Oh, the big slow one. Oh, the big glittery ones. Wow, look at that. There we go. Look at that. Wow.